Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and more. And today we are going to create this model, and here we have some views. This is my isometric view, and we have this orthographic projection of this part. This is front view, side and the top view. So we will create this part with the help of this orthographic only. So I will start from the front view. First I will sketch this portion, and then I will extrude this up to this limit, and rest we will do some hole and cut and all after that. So let's start with this part. So first of all I will click over this sketch, and I will click or I will select this front plane, and I will define this reference and orient the view so that we can draw over the plane easily. Now I will hide this panel so that I will get a maximum space for creating my part, and I will start from this point. This is my origin. Always you have to start with this origin point. That is more beneficial if you will start with this point, and click. And this is 40, so select approximate 40 and a little bit down, and click and click. So my model is something like this. So I have create my sketch as per the drawing. Now this time I will dimension this, the radius of this portion. All the radius are same. You can see this is R, that 40 is the diameter and 20 is the radius. So double click this and change this diameter to 40, and here we have 60 plus 20 100. So I will change this dimension to 60 plus 20 80. So double click over this dimension and change the value. This value is 20. Here we have change this dimension to 20, and this value I will change later on. Just double click over this, and again this is same value up to this. This total is 20 and 60. From this point to this is 80. So this is not mentioned here, so leave this. First I will click over this line and make it horizontal. Again dimension this line and define it to 12, and this dimension is 20 plus 20, that's 40, and this value is 12. And now trim this and right click over this and convert this line to reference, convert to reference line. So this is my reference line, and create one more circle, and this hole is 16 diameter. So change this to 16. Now finish the sketch and extrude. And change this value to symmetric, and this time we will take this 12 plus 12 plus 16 and type the 20 20 20, the 40. 16 plus 24 is 40, and click OK. And radius, these two radius and these two radius. This is of diameter 20, 40 is the diameter and 20 is the radius. So change the radius to 20 automatically. this all will change. And now I want to create a hole, so we have this hole command directly. With the help of this hole, we will create hole at the center and one more at the center, and diameter is 16 as given here, and OK. This time only this cut and this cut is remain. So I will click over this plane and draw a rectangle. Now this center point and this center both will vertically align, and the gap is 16 millimeter. Change this, and depth is this point, means this depth is up to this limit and constant. See this. Okay. Height you can change as you want, that is 40, means anything more than 40 you can type here. Extrude this and cut thoroughly and see the diagram. Here is my, you can see it from here. Some radius is still there, but it is not mentioned here, that's why. And by default I will take this dimension as 5 and apply. So hope you understand this tutorial properly. It is very easy. So thank you for watching the tutorial. We will meet with next tutorial tomorrow. So till then, have a nice day and take care. Bye bye.